Hey guys, it's me. I'm back. Why have I been gone so long? A lot of things have happened. I'm trying to change some things. Got caught up in situations I shouldn't be in, that type thing, but we're back. So I'll give you guys a hair update. So last time that I talked to you guys, the last video I had was me in these little twists or whatever. And I was pretty much telling you guys that I got a Brazilian blowout. They gave me a keratin treatment without even asking me, and my hair was left in shambles. And I said that by my birthday, if I didn't like it, I was gonna cut it. I did. So I cut it at first. I had like a bob that shaved the back off or whatever. And I wanted to see if maybe the top could get itself together. No, not even a little bit. So in June of 2017, I finally did a big chop. This is my first time ever doing a big chop. I've never done that. Even when I first started going natural, I didn't do a big chop. I transitioned for about a year and then I just cut everything off, and pretty much it was a little bit longer than what I have now. So pretty much starting over, giving you guys a updated routine on how I do my hair now, because it's been so short. I've never had short hair before. This is definitely something very new for me. I've been dealing with it since about June. I loved it when it was really short. Now I'm just in this kind of weird in-between stage where all I can do is just have a part and have a fro. So let's jump right into it. So let's talk a little bit. What y'all been doing? How's life? Like, how y'all been doing things? Let me tell you, y'all, I'm almost done with school. I'm so excited. I cannot wait, because then I can really get started with my, I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all know, like, as soon as y'all wash it, and you start drying a little bit, scalp starts itching a little bit, the thing feels so good. But anyways, so I can't wait to finish so I can finally get started with my life. I am single again. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram or whatnot, but most of the time, and I'm trying to get out of the habit of this, but when my relationships turn bad, turn bad for the worst, I'm not on social media because I don't want anyone to know I'm really good at putting up facades. So that's why I haven't been on social media that much, but literally the day after, I was just like, I can't take it anymore. I was back up. So this is what we got so far. I just put the Cantu in there, and I'm pretty much just moisturizing it, making sure I get every strand, massaging my scalp as I go, and then we'll work into how my daughter is videotaping my butt. She's so, but yeah, so just working this in. But honestly, y'all, like, 2017 has really shown me what I will and will not tolerate. I'm putting in castor oil. Being an adult and going into life, you know, you have to really learn yourself. You have to really learn what you, as a woman, as a person, are willing to tolerate. And I learned in 2017 that I just wasn't willing to tolerate certain things. So that's how I did that. So she's starting to come back to life a little bit. Yeah, I'm not really doing anything. I'm pretty much just like massaging everything in, taking the castor oil that's left on my hands, just massaging that into my scalp. And I'm just enjoying my hair being so, like, in its like complete virgin state, because when I initially went natural, I was like shocked what just happened. So I was like, I don't know if I really want to do this. And so I gave myself a texturizer. Y'all have heard this story if you've been a part of my channel for a little bit. But so I gave myself a texturizer, and that was probably like a really bad mistake. And I probably should never have done that. So my hair even in my videos, took a while for it to get back to its virgin natural state. So me starting from the beginning right now is actually really awesome because I've never been just straight out the scalp, you know what I'm saying? But this is what I'm using now. Can you see? So pretty much I just parted the back, and I'm just gonna run this in my hands, and I'm just gonna rake it through the back. And whenever I feel like my hair is getting too dry, I'm just getting a spray bottle. And I'm just gonna spray it up. And this is just water, guys. Like, I do put a little bit of lavender oil in there just because I like the smell. So because my hair is like a lot thicker and coarser than most, like I don't just have them, you know, snapback curls. My curls needs to be worked. So I'm also going to go in and take my Denman brush and work it in that way. Okay, so that's good so far. So now we're just gonna keep sectioning it off and keep adding in the product. Because, but honestly, y'all, I'm digging the short thing though. Like, I was like, let me get my Halle Berry on. When I'm working on the front, I do take a little bit of this smoothing gel and I do my edges too. Real good. This is my first time using this as I am though, because you know, as I am, love y'all, but y'all are expensive, and so I'm always down to find things on a budget, and I'll do a video on my own budget natural hair things. You know, all the gurus, they say, well, you can't have this and you can't have that, and that's cool and all, but listen, I'm trying to be beautiful on a budget. On a budget. So I'll put a video up about that, because especially if you're just starting being natural, and especially if you're in college and you know you broke anyway. I mean, I'm not broke, but shawty, I could spend that money on something else, if you know what I'm saying. So when I brush it down, and then I brush it to the side. When I brush it down, it's pretty much just to get all the tangles out of it, and then when I brush it to the side, that's to just make the curls have some volume, make them kind of up, you know. So do you guys who may have shorter hair like me, do you prefer to wear the part, or are you like a I want my whole hairline type of person? Because I like the part. I think the part is cute, you know. I think it's real cute, but sometimes, you know, what styles, like, I guess you can only do, the only thing about having short hair that I just kind of not feeling is just the styling options. Like, when I had longer hair, I was able to do so many different styles, but with shorter hair, my styles are very limited, and that's something I have to get used to too, because I was so used to changing my hair up all the time with the braid over here and braid over there and a bun up here and clips all there. Like, y'all remember? this is the finished look. Hair still needs to dry a little bit, but for the most part, I'm pretty pleased. What do you guys think? Short, yes or no? All right. It was good talking to y'all again. Hit me up on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. No Twitter. I'm sorry, I gave up Twitter. I couldn't do it. Okay, I don't have the consciousness. I can't do it. So Snapchat, all that great stuff. I love y'all talking to y'all again. I hope you had a wonderful new year. We're starting off right in 2018.